There are lots of options for individuals to comply with their legal requirement to file and pay taxes. You can do it yourself with paper or using a free online service. If you go to your local public library, you can still get paper copies of tax forms. The IRS offers 2 programs that offer free basic tax help from trained preparers. The Volunteer Income Tax Assistance program, or VITA, helps prepare returns for people who generally make $56,000 or less, persons with disabilities, and those who have limited English speaking abilities that need assistance in preparing their own tax returns. The Tax Counseling for the Elderly, or TCE program, offers free tax help, particularly for those who are 60 years of age and older. Those assistants specialize in questions about pensions and retirement related issues unique to seniors. If you are at or within retirement age, then you might want to consult a professional working for the Tax Counseling for the Elderly program. You can also use a retail tax preparation service. These usually include in-house training for preparers. You see these in strip malls and on corners throughout cities and towns in the country. Some franchises are owned and operated by licensed accountants. Some are owned by enrolled agents. A few are owned by CPAs. These retail tax preparation services have qualified staff working for them for basic and general tax preparation services. Some of them have the capacity to work with small business clients. In general, these retail tax preparation services are inadequate to help clients with substantial business operations, though.